Okay, I'm gonna do a lobby tour. So this is the front of the hotel, and it's cold outside, and there's some trees and stuff, park, and there's some stores in front of the what do you call it, the inn. So there's a video game store and barbecue grill.
You have to tell me the name of the hotel.
The name of the hotel is Holiday Inn Express and Suites, or is it Suites?
Suites.
Suites. Let's go inside.
Again, Holiday Inn Express.
Holiday Inn Express and Suites. Okay, let's go inside because it's cold.
Yeah, you feel cold?
Yeah. I'm just wearing one layer. Of course, I feel cold. Okay, let's go
We should
in.
do a car tour too.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. 'cause
Later.
we rented a car.
Yeah. We'll do the car tour
So they
later.
have automatic doors.
Okay, let's go to the room.
The room. I already toured the room.
Yeah, we'll go inside the room. Lobby.
This is the lobby. We have a big Christmas tree. What else?
Go to the room.
What? The
We'll
room?
go to the room, yeah.
Free water and cookies over there. Cookies disappeared because a lot of people ate them. This is the fitness center. It's very small. And this is our room. I don't know, that was easy. Are we gonna do a room tour?
Yeah, let's do that again.
Again. Okay. Thank you. Oh. Okay, so let me just close this. We'll do the bathroom last. It's super messy. Hey. This is the mini bar place.
Pantry area.
Pantry area. Microwave. Microwave. Why is it in 8 seconds?
I ate food last night.
Oh. Coffee machine, waters. This is our free cookies that they have. I put it in here. And they have an ice bucket and the fridge, which has nothing inside.
Ta-da! I think it's even working.
Yeah, I think it's off. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go to the program. So this is the room. And you have beds here, 2 really tall beds. They're so tall, I need a footstool. And this is where you can work on stuff like
And we're on the ground floor, so if you look outside the window, boom, parking. Cars over there.
And I love the
lounge
seat.
seat.
So fancy.
And our messy beds.
Yeah, because we slept.
Yep. That's it for a quick room tour here in Holiday
Oh, wait,
Inn
I have to show you the
Express.
pillows. Look at the pillows.
Pillows. Gotta show them the pillows.
Some of them say soft. The soft ones say soft, and then the hard ones.
Let me guess, it says hard.
No, it says firm. So you can tell the difference, and I like that. That's a good job. Yeah, that's it for the room tour. Bye.